I'm so excited to bring you Scrap-A-Thon 11, which will begin on March 1st, 2023 till March 31st, 2023. This is a self-paced class where we're going to have 31 prompts, challenges, and a video page for each. Here are some examples of challenges: ghosting, patchwork, bubble wrap, background, and so much more. There will be a Facebook group where we're going to chat every day about the challenges. I will also schedule times for YouTube Lives where we're going to chat and create layouts. Upon purchase of this class, you will receive the prep videos so we can all be ready to get our scrap on March 1st. Then there will be a video a day uploaded to the class area. This class is $40, but until March 15th, 2023, you can purchase for $30. For more information on this class and all other classes and embellishments, please visit NicoleJonesNav1.com. See you in class.